This is how Wonder Boy do it. This is how Wonder Boy do it.
Big.
It's a big poggy. See, it's a big poggy right in the Gulf of Mexico. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy. Today we're going into the Gulf of Mexico and we're going about 100 miles out and we go deep sea fishing. So you're going to have to follow me along the journey and I'm going to show you my catch for the day. So I want you to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell more than once. So I'll catch you out in the deep sea, ladies and gentlemen. I like to go out in the Gulf of Mexico where the big boys, them at, the big fish. That's where I like to go. I don't like to fish on the riverbank because I like sea fish. So when I go out there, sky is the limit where you can catch when you go that far out. So I want to go out there and see if I can catch a 30-pound grouper today. I like grouper, turbot, and snapper, and grunt. That's what I'm going out for today. So wish me all the best out on the deep blue sea. And come along with me on the journey. We're going to have fun today, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to show you all my catch.
She got one.
Oh my God.
No one get to her?
Bust my line. I'm tired of this, man. I gotta work out in the gym, man.
Yeah, I know. Not as young as you are.
Oh!
What is it?
Shorty groupie. Tired of you. Watch it. That's the same one I cast before. No? Leave me alone.
Wonder Boy, you got something?
Yes, Wonder Boy got something. Wonder Boy got a fish coming up. Like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Boy Fish coming up.
Oh, you got one.
That's a poggy. That's how we do it in the Gulf. That's the poggy right there.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna use them for the
I gotta throw it back?
No.
Oh!
Yeah, we got a lot of photos. Yeah, all this.
Nice!
Everybody in the building.
It's heavy too.
Ladies and gentlemen, a nice turbot, eh? Look at it.
Wonder Boy, what is that?
That's a finch. Ooh, that's a snapper.
Oh!
Look at it. These is sweet. These eat like macabac. Yeah, in the Gulf of Mexico.
Oh! What?
Another keeper? Nah, it's short.
I gotta be 24.
20.
Wow.
You might bomb the water already, so you can bust it like a turbot anyway.
Do you really want some turbot?
Yeah, oh yeah, Sarah. Turbot. I catch a turbot. I catch a turbot. Come boy. Hello boy. I catch a turbot.
It's a snapper. Whoa! Wow!
Nice mangrove.
It's a mango snapper, guys.
Back again.
I have a turbot, Alex. Why?
What's funny?
Fish is fun when you go fishing, you have to turn it off, make me be fun.
It's coming up. It's coming up. What is it? Whoa, you got two.
What is
Wonder Boy style.
What? Oh, you want to see the group?
I'm up.
Oh, you son of a gun.
Oh, what is that eel?
I got an eel.
Yeah?
The eel.
How big?
3 feet?
20 feet.
20 feet.
That's how you know I touched the bottom. Me no want you. I need to fly it. This is the shocking one?
Oh my god, it's like tiny snow.
Oh, it's like a snake.
This fish is so big, it's big.
How big is it?
It's so big, it's big.
Like all my stuff.
I'm
No, you gotta take it. You can't take an eel.
We don't know if it's an electric eel or not.
Big ass red snapper.
What?
Holy cow. Look how
Oh my gosh.
Should have with this. Cut it. It's bust the string.
big. You gonna eat the eel?
Oh,
No.
I'm sorry.
Go, Wonder Boy, go.
Wonder Boy's coming to you live and direct. My fishing story. People don't want to see what I keep Wonder Boy catch. Wonder Boy catch a chicken fish, people. Wonder Boy catch a chicken fish, see that? Hey, Wonder Boy, God.
It's coming. Look, it's fighting you. That's why. Every time it's not fighting you.
It just hard fit in the smoke.
I see
Oh, it's coming up.
Oh, it's blue. It's going under the boat. Happy, get it. Oh, no.
Turbine.
Whoa! What? Wow! Pull it over. Come.
Hey, put that one in our
Come.
Did we take it from you, no?
Good thing you took it from me. I would have been in the water.
Tight in your jacket. Oh my God.
Yeah, we're all attached. They got us all hooked up.
Uh-oh.
All right.
You see me, man? Hold on, now bust me, hold on. Man, don't dry, let me get it to me. Them have to walk to me.
Hold on. Man, pull it.
Yeah, that's a big fish.
I would if I could reach it.
Hold on, it's coming up. It just went between the lines, that's why.
And that turbot, you know?
Yeah, just draw them up and
It's not turbot.
Oh, shoot. It's a monster. It's a big one. It is ass in the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It's about to fall off, for real.
Okay, let's go.
That's huge. Hey, okay. Big boys.
That's
Thanks,
turbot,
Dad.
right there in the Gulf. Look at it.
Sorry.
You see how big it is? Turbot right in the Gulf. Wonder Boy doing fishing today. Hey man, you like a big turbot there?
I don't know what you're gonna do with so much turbot. That gotta be a big one. That little piece of thing giving me so much help.
You'll see where you hook him right in the belly.
Is he coming? Wow. It's a big one.
Being the superstar, I don't see the same line. The top, them niggas were rocking the third. It's part of the game. They hate when you reaching the top, they be throwing the side of my line. I'm forever the same. If I mention some money, they can't say the same. Cause these niggas, a nigga that's bleeding the game. Like maybe you.
I'll catch you in the deep sea, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out.